You.
I'm good too. मैंने पहले आपको इसलिए आने के लिए रिक्वेस्ट किया because रेखा मैम is also here. At least you should know her by face also. She
Hi,
also
ma'am.
wanted to see the pageant winners.
हेलो
Sorry,
गुड
pageant winners.
इवनिंग हाय गौरी कैसे हैं आप
ठीक हूँ मैम, आप कैसे हैं?
आई एम डूइंग वेल थैंक यू गौरी इट इज माय प्लेजर टू इनवाइट यू एंड वेलकम यू टू today's webinar and many congratulations for winning the pageant personality title at the Miss India Women of Dignity pageant. I must say your achievement is a reflection of grace, confidence and inner strength, and I'm so happy and want to welcome you as our brand ambassador. Okay, looking toward looking forward for a very inspiring journey together. Congratulations once again and a very warm welcome.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, Manisha ma'am, for giving this opportunity. And मैम मेरी मम्मी आपको बहुत मिस करती है सच में। अभी भी पता है मुझसे कह रही थी कि आज मनीषा मैम के साथ वेबिनार है ना, मैंने कहा हाँ। कहती है उसी के लिए जा रही हूँ, मैंने कहा हाँ उनके उसके लिए ही जा रही हूँ अभी।
That's so sweet. Convey my regards. And you can speak to Rekha ma'am for a while because then she will not be in the meeting for a longer time. So if you want to interact, want to talk anything, you can.
अच्छा गौरी आई जस्ट वांटेड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हाउ वाज योर पेजेंट जर्नी जो आपने अभी पार्टिसिपेट किया एंड हाउ वाज योर इंटरेक्शन विद कोच मनीषा बिकॉज शी वाज अ पेजेंट ग्रूमर देयर.
And did you expect that you will win? Because हाँ हमारी इस बारे में बात हुई नहीं है.
Yeah,
मैम
that is the one
honestly,
important thing.
I was not ready to come and take part in beauty pageant, but my mother insisted me that you should go because it is going to give me a lot of experience because I've never been alone. So she said you are going to meet new people, you are going to learn new experiences. You should go. I was really shy and very tensed at first, but on the first day we had a grooming session with Vanisha ma'am. She took the grooming session. It was really nice. I mean, I really felt so motivated. Ma'am told us about how to give introduction. All the points were like clearly mentioned on flashcard type something, and she also told how to answer, and she also helped me prepare for the introduction round. I mean,
Okay.
I was like it was just because of Manisha ma'am that I got so much confident and I was able to perform in very well in the competition. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that I'm so happy. Now you must tell me ki what is the difference before joining a pageant and after winning the pageant, what the difference you feel in yourself?
Ma'am, before participating in the pageant, I was not. Uh, I was confident, but not at that level. But after winning the pageant, I have become more confident. And before, I used to like just think about my individual self, but now I am thinking more about society.
Yeah,
How can I make it more better? So,
yeah.
and
That is the one thing that we must all should have a purpose or goal towards our life and towards our surrounding. ये तो सबसे important factor मुझे लगता है. तो डू टेल मी गौरी आप व्हाट डू यू वांट कि आपने एक नेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म जीता है. आप क्या इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट करना चाहती हैं क्या इंस्पायर करना चाहती हैं या क्या मोटिवेट करना चाहती है अपनी सराउंडिंग में भले वो आपके खुद के अंदर ही हो भले फैमिली मेंबर्स हो भले अपना नेबरहुड हो.
uh, ma'am, like my little brother, he's in school right now. He's in ninth grade, and his classmates, some female classmates, he said that your sister is a model, right? And she participated in beauty pageant and she won the title. And like they were very happy when they asked my brother about it, and he said yes. So I think that I can inspire little girls so that they can like pursue their passion and become financially independent because it is very important in today's life.
या ये तो है. अच्छा कोच मनीषा आई जस्ट वांटेड टू आस्क यू कि आपको गौरी से मिलके व्हाट वाज योर फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन एंड when she won the title and she become a winner and what was your reaction?
Yeah, thank you for that question also. नाउ आई हैव टू रिफ्लेक्ट बैक बिकॉज इतना मैंने स्टार्टिंग में मतलब गौर नहीं किया था गौरी पे. So what happened? There were many people like in the pageant. The number of participants are always more, and the titles are less.
Yeah.
So, but she had outshined in a way as a person because when she came to me, I had actually given a session and asked everyone, if you want to prepare your introduction, I'm here around. जिसको चाहिए बात करने के लिए, you connect with me. Gauri was the one. I think Gauri, you came to me in that evening only when there was gala night, gala evening, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the first thing I liked about her was that she's pretty good in communication, but she was not overconfident about it. And she was open to unlearn, to relearn what I was telling her. That was the first and foremost two things that I liked. First is that she obeyed what was conveyed, and second was that while I was conveying something to her, she was, open minded to accept the feedback also. And she was very polite, she was very humble. I'm not sure of the exact incidents because बहुत incidents होते रहते हैं 3 days में, but I could read her humility through many things. I think I told her that you don't have to mention what you think or society tells you is something not so good in you. Why you want to mention it? Instead, that is visible to people, and if they will find out, they should get an impression in spite of everything that you feel is unconventional, you are confident. You remember, Gauri, this conversation of ours?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and she exactly did the same. I think next day I saw a different shift in her body language. तो मुझे लगा कि she is a good learner. She catches and follows what is told to her very religiously. That was most important. And for me, as you also know, Rekha, for me, what matters is not just the communication or the outer beauty. It is the inner beauty and what kind of person you are. So Gauri is really a pleasant person. And for me, the definition is a person to which other people also feel connected or want to stay connected. And the person is in helping mood and good terms with the other person all the time. So Gauri के लिए मुझे ऐसा कहीं लगा नहीं कुछ भी vibe that anyone is she is making anyone uncomfortable. She was very much comfortable herself and was making comfortable everyone around her. So yeah, that was good thing about her. Vijay Lakshmi had not joined, otherwise Vijay Lakshmi is also a pleasant person.
गौरी, आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू वन थिंग. मैनी इयर्स बैक जब मैं पहली बार कोच मनीषा से मिली थी, आई एम अ वेरी इंट्रोवर्ट पर्सन. I don't talk that much. I'm very confined. I use very less words. And when I met her, and she was like, I believe you have a personality. You are willing for the transformation, and you have your own strength. You are very dedicated. And I have no idea. Within a week, I was a chatterbox in front of her. And I'm still am. And the very best part of her that I like is that she touches your core, and I don't know how. She makes changes in your those tiny आपकी हैबिट्स होती है ना उनके अंदर. शी मेक्स माइन्यूट माइन्यूट चेंजेस, एंड वन डे आप एक टोटली ट्रांसफॉर्म पर्सन होते हैं. That is my personal experience about her, and you have no idea. I am a part of Pleasant Personality Academy, but I think Coach Manisha is the core part and core thing of my life.
So nice, ma'am. Ma'am, honestly, I was also not confident at all at the first day. But after taking Amisha ma'am's session, I mean, I could believe on myself that yes, I can do this. I'm honestly, I was not ready to come. मेरी मम्मी और मेरी दीदी ने मुझे धक्के से भेजा है कि जाओ.
I don't know. She looks at a person and she knows that कि उस person की calibers क्या है, how much achievement they can get, or she makes sure कि she gives that positive push कि तुम कर सकते हो, करो करो करो. And one day we are there and in a total shock कि यार कैसे हो गया.
सच में.
So kind of you, and thank you for the kind words and love, Rekha. You
Nice webinar, and please, I'm looking forward for the recording क्योंकि मुझे वो मिस नहीं करना.
nahi, surely, but thank you for sparing your Sunday also. You can carry on with the family.
My pleasure only. Have a
Thanks.
nice evening. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.